Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Taylor Ford and I am a 2018 SheaMoisture. And in my second SheaMoisture box, I received products from the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair line. I will be reviewing and doing a twist out using these products, so if you are interested in how I got these results, then please keep watching. So it's definitely time to wash this hair. I do want to say that all of these products I'm going to mention contain Manuka honey, yogurt extract, and referral oil. This line repairs breakage up to 76%. So I'm going to cleanse with the Hydrate and Repair shampoo.
What you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe.
It has like a milky, pearly look to it. I'm just going to work this in and just focus on the scalp. And I really love this shampoo. I love the way it felt on my scalp. It was very gentle and cleansed my scalp thoroughly. And I like how it lathered up without stripping my hair of moisture. And then I'm just going to deeply cleanse my scalp with this shampoo brush I received in my box. So next I'm going to follow up with the Hydrate and Repair conditioner. This conditioner is thicker than the shampoo, which I like. It was very hydrating and it seemed like it had a pretty good amount of slip. And all of these products smell great, by the way. It's very light and fresh and it's not too strong of a scent. And I'm just going to work this in from my ends to the roots, and I'm just going to leave it up for up to 3 minutes. After I rinse the conditioner out, I'm going to use the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This product has a very thick consistency. When using this product, I warm it up in my hands first so it can absorb throughout my hair. And you really want to focus this on your ends since that is the weakest part of your hair. So I'm just going to apply this into 4 sections. And this is my favorite product out of the whole line. If you don't want to buy the entire line, then I recommend this product personally. My hair felt so soft and super moisturized, and my hair felt stronger after using this product. This is really good if you tend to have dry hair like me. Then after I finish finger detangling, I like to go through with my diamond brush.
My mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Mind.
Predator.
Don't want to feel you.
Then I'm just going to two-strand twist, put it up in a clip, and go on to the next section. Then I didn't have a shower cap, so I got to use what I got and use a plastic bag to cover my hair, which works just fine. And I'm going to let this treatment sit for 15 minutes and then rinse out. So I just got done rinsing out the treatment. I'm just going to dry my hair with microfiber towel, then move on to styling. So this is how my hair looks after it is washed. I am still transitioning, as you can tell. And y'all, my hair never felt so soft and moisturized. Like, I was really pleased with these products so far. Then I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. Then before I begin styling, I like to section my hair into 3 sections. I do 1 section on the left, 1 section on the right, and then 1 section in the back. So I already did the back section, and right now I'm just taking a section of hair from my right side. Then I'm just going to spritz my hair with water with my 360 mist sprayer. And I'm going to go in with the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This leave-in has a very watery consistency. I usually use leave-ins that are a bit more thicker, but I really like this product. I thought it kept my hair hydrated and manageable. Then I'm just using the Curly Hands and Smoothie as my styler.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind.
Then I'm just going to go in with my Dim Brush to make sure I get all the products throughout my hair. Now I'm just simply going to do a 2-stranded twist. Then I'm going to use the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm on my ends. As you can see, it's very thick, kind of like a pomade. This is supposed to instantly seal and reduce the appearance of split ends, giving you that fresh cut look. And I thought this product was okay. It's just really sticky. However, I thought it did a good job sealing my ends together. Then I'm just going to roll my ends with a purple perm rod as so. So I finished styling all the sections of my hair. Now I'm going to put a bonnet on and leave my hair to air dry for a day. So it's been one day and now it's time to take down my hair. And I'm just unraveling each roller in the opposite direction which I rolled it in. So after I'm done taking down the rollers, I'm just going to use this oil from Garnier, and I'm just going to put this on my hands to prevent any frizz when separating my hair. So basically right now, all I'm doing is untwisting the twist. And then I'm just going to separate and then twist the end with my finger. And usually you can feel where your hair naturally separates.
So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you
Then I'm just going to fluff my roots out with my hands or a pick just so I can get more volume. And these are my final results. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in the bottom right hand corner. I will link all the products in this line in the description box below along with my social media handles. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you all in my next video.